Buckle Up Georgia is back on the road, and this week we stopped at Chattahoochee High School to show our VR crash to their school's SADD chapter.
SADD stands for Students Against Destructive Decisions, and in our club we really focus on our students being peer-to-peer, really trying to reach out to their peers and share the dangers of distracted driving, driving under the influence, not wearing your seatbelt.
I think SADD is really important because it helps spread our message throughout the community, which is really making sure that students are really safe in what's happening around us and just aware of the different issues that happen.
So we showed these safe drivers what happens when things go off the road.
So that was really immersive to see this rollover that was happening at just 60 miles an hour, and I feel like for our students who are driving, this would be amazing for them to see it, and then also for our students who aren't driving yet, just to kind of have that realization as they're preparing to go behind the wheel.
It was really heart-wrenching to kind of see how much of an impact it had without their seatbelt. This could have happened to me, this could happen to any of the passengers in my car, so it would really make a long-lasting effect.
I think it does a great job at demonstrating how dangerous simply not wearing your seatbelt can be.
When I'm driving, I'm not moving until my friends have their seatbelts on.
It really shows our students and drivers that the message is clear, you really need to buckle up.
You can also check out our VR rollover crash by going to gpb.org/buckleupgeorgia.